Hello again and welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be looking at the VASTKING Kingpad K10 tablet. In the box, as you'd expect, you get the tablet. Underneath that is another box containing the SIM extractor tool. There you go, warranty guide, quick start guide. And in the other box, obviously, you get the plug and the USB-C cable. There you go, there's the plug. And there's the cable. And inside the keyboard docking case box is the keyboard docking case. This is a 10-inch Android tablet with 3 GB of RAM installed, 32 GB of storage, which is upgradable to 512 GB with an external microSD card, a 1920 by 1200 HD resolution screen. It has a 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, blue light filter screen, facial recognition, dual speakers, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and offline Google Maps. The keyboard docking case is available as an optional extra, but makes a great addition to the tablet. It has a nice plasticky rubbery feel to it and feels well made. It's a standard QWERTY keyboard, although a couple of the buttons are smaller than their desktop counterparts. It's a simple and quick job to insert the tablet into the keyboard case. On the back there is quite a stiff stand, but does the job well supporting the tablet. By using the stand you can prop the tablet up to any angle you prefer. Along the left edge of the tablet, working from the bottom up, is the USB-C port, the reset button, volume controls and power button. Moving along the top there's a 3.5mm headphone jack and the microSD holder. At the bottom of the tablet are the dual stereo speakers and the 5-pin docking port. Browsing the web with this tablet was very smooth. I was able to have quite a few tabs open all at once and scroll through many large pages without any issue. Obviously this tablet can be used in either portrait or landscape modes, but it's actually designed with landscape being the default, as the top camera is positioned in the middle of the top edge, which makes sense once it's plugged into the keyboard case. At 550 grams, the tablet isn't too heavy and feels nice to hold. The tablet has a nice zippy feel to it and all the apps were very responsive. Just like the last tablet I reviewed for VASTKING, considering this is a budget tablet, the build quality is actually excellent. The Kingpad K10 comes with Android 10 OS installed, with no bloatware or any other rubbish installed, which is nice as it saves space and helps keep the tablet nice and speedy. I was up and running within minutes of first turning the device on and was happily downloading my favourite apps from the Google Store. Connection to Wi-Fi worked without any hiccups at all. The tablet's facial recognition works well too, even in fairly low light. Watching movies on the K10 was quite a nice experience. Both Netflix and Amazon Prime performed really well with no lagging, and the picture quality and colours were superb. Not bad for a budget tablet. The only thing that lets this tablet down is the audio quality. The speakers aren't the loudest, and you'd be better off plugging in a set of headphones to watch movies. They're quite underpowered at only 1 watt. You're obviously not going to buy a tablet for its photographic quality, but the camera quality is okay for a tablet of this budget level, especially when used in brighter environments to reduce noise in the image, but you won't be selling your DSLR just yet. It's also perfect for video calls, so it serves its purpose well. Again, video isn't something you buy a tablet for really, but the quality was okay. This is a great little device for using in the home or the office. It's great for the commute too, catching up on movies and box sets, but don't forget your headphones. But you can easily do your 9 to 5 work on it with the relevant apps installed. All in all, this is another great budget tablet from VASTKING. Keep up the good work. Unfortunately, I didn't have a pen to test the drawing capabilities of this tablet, but by just using my finger you can see how quick and responsive it is. The keys on the keyboard are a nice size, they feel responsive, and you can adjust brightness and volume just as you can on a laptop using the function key combinations. There's also a handy home button to take you back to the desktop. The edge or lip of the case also extends beyond the tablet all round by a few millimeters to give it that extra level of protection. That's about it for this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any comments you have below, and I'll see you next time.